You can connect it with a solar panel if you have enough. Makes sense. Or you can use it with auxiliary power, that one needs auxiliary power for a DT, or maybe it's already available close to substations or close to transformers. So and with that one you can communicate with the SCADA. So that is a small device I would like to ask you to start to explain. That is a modem, it's called DRC007. This can have a special firmware like that one, so that can talk to each other and can talk to your SCADA system.
We have a separate presentation.
Okay. They have a separate presentation. Then let's go back to that one. Forget about the modem, comes later. Actually, it's okay. Okay. Yeah. What we have seen we have seen the evaluation from PEA, and these are the tools behind. You get the software with that one. With the software, you can see all the events, what was going on in the network. And out of that one, these informations were derived. The cleared fault, the detected fault, where something happened in the network, but was below the threshold to operate the Fuse Saver. You can see when the line current was off, there was a clearance fault. How long does it take? When comes the power back? All the things with a timestamp. Gives you a lot of information to analyze your network and to make it more reliable. Another good example was a balance. I know that the utilities prefer to connect it phase B, so it's in the middle, it's a little bit difficult to access. So therefore you have the information. So what you have a load profile. You can derive the maximum, the minimum, and the average per day. You have this information in the network, and with that you can do your analysis. There's a sample rate. The sample rate is 5, 10, 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes it collects the data. Out of that one, at the end of the day, gives you 1 value per day. This is a very, very helpful information to check what is really going on in your network. So then we have some reliability data. It's not needed to go to the Excel file or to the event log and count the cleared fault and the permanent fault. The software is doing it for you. We have here 4, 5, and 7. In phase A, B, C. You can call it whatever you want, line A, line B, line 1. You are flexible with that one. Your protection engineer will use the same language. And it gives you a duration of the outage time. So then we are coming to the SID, system average interruption duration index. You can find that one. Of course, you can export it to make your own reports out of that one, or you can just put it in the folder. You can see how often the availability of your network, this is derived from the outage time. You have a percentage, so you can see if you usually as the regulator and the government mostly is a regulator, and the utilities say, I have to convince, I need the reliability of more than 97% per day, something like that, or 99.9. Fuse Saver gives you this information for the protected branch. Even here, export, printing is possible. So what else? One more. This we had. So, yeah. This important to know is the Fuse Saver is tested according to the IEC 62271-100, which is a circuit breaker standard. We have all time passed all the tests successfully. Test documentation is available, so you have a proven technology. Very often used, customers like it, especially in Australia, in California, in Brazil. They ordered hundreds of these devices because it's so fast, and for the countries where the speed is not that much needed, or normal, Thailand is not really needed, because it allows you a fire mitigation there. avoid any sparks, any rise of the current because of this fast speed in trip. You are much more flexible than with a fuse or something else. Yeah, so thanks a lot for your time. This was in brief the Fuse Saver. Any questions, feel free. We are here. We have Tony from the factory. We have Esula from Thailand. She's doing the same like me. We have some field experience, so if there are questions, concerns, comments, feel free to ask. We are here now. Yeah, thanks to BP Start to have this nice device here. We have a similar, but not that much beautiful. Not so, but it looks nice. Very good. Yeah, feel free. We are colleagues. I worked for the utility before I started with Siemens. It's a long time back, more than 20 years back, but we are sitting in the same boat. Up to you. And you can ask the question in Khmer, and Lexa will translate, or my friends from EP Start will translate.
How many seconds of drip when have the bird tag the line? How many seconds to drip again? To close again?
The dead time is for that one between 2 and 10 seconds, more than 10 seconds. For the three-phase device, if you have again operated, 10 seconds. It's a minimum time.
30.
Up to 30.
30 seconds.
30 second maximum.
And how to operate Fuse Saver by menu?
Just press that button here.
You need a long stick. Press it.
Hook stick, the same one what you use to replace, to pull the fuse down.
Or will be part of the start.
There's a small trick.
Yeah.
If equipped with a RCU, and the RCU has an EP Start modem inside, there's a small button. Now it's closed. Here's for open and close, but this will come in the presentation a little bit later. You can use it from here. So the operator has it quite easy, use that one, if available. But it works without. It's an independent system. It does not need RCU. But here we have it, to have a connection to the SCADA. It gives,
And how many times when we type the drip button in Fuse Saver, how many times to close? How many times we to operate? How many
close
times?
60 seconds,
60
to open 60 seconds. Yeah. We call it hit and run because it's a safety feature. If you close it, if you close on a fold, I have another small movie. What happens if you close a fuse on a folded line? Nothing happens. It's not really dangerous, but we need to play with the laptops here, the laptop computers. So the operator does not really like it. For that one is that function inbuilt. And there's also a small technical reason. These devices have to talk to each other to say, I get set one close operation. They talk to each other, are you ready to synchronize the operation? So that you have the same, there's no delay in closing or to energize the line. Coming back to that one, okay, Fuse Saver is now open. You can see it on the green indicator. By the way, it's a reflecting material. If it is in the dark or the sun is there, use a torch, and then it starts to, you can see it, and it's easier to see. If you use that one here, close, it starts here. I received the command. I will talk with wireless radio to that devices. All three understand. It's time to step back for the operator, and the 60 second runs, and then it's okay. Then the Fuse Saver will close synchronously. Good question. I hear a little bit concern about the 60 seconds, and I would like to understand where this concern from. Maybe I'm wrong, but usually that's outage time. The outage time takes maybe 1-2 hours. So line goes on site, repair the line because of the temporary fault. In other cases, you don't need to operate it manually. So the line crew has repaired the fault, put everything together, and then you have to press that red button, or that one, or use the software, or call the SCADA. Why are 60 seconds a problem after 1, 2, 3, 4 hours repair works in the line? There's actually, I have a problem to understand why is 60 seconds a concern after such a period of time. So, but this allows me to, we have seen it during our installations. It's more or less in the jungle. There's a pole, a lot of trees. If you press the button, it works immediately. It's a short circuit. You never know what's really happened. Maybe there's a new fault on the line. I don't want to stay so close to the switching device. And the switch gear is a little bit different. It's metal enclosed. In the substation, you are safe behind the metal sheet wall. But here you are close to the line. Maybe only 6-10 meters above you. So, hit and run. Press, step back. Work is done. Click, or explosion again.
Is it necessary to install a Fuse Saver with the
No. We said we skipped that we have two versions. One Fuse Saver, which works cooperation with Fuse, and the other one replace the Fuse totally. And we were focused today on the OCO type, open, close, open. There's no Fuse in it. Actually, if you want to use a fuse as a link or something like that, we recommend to use a solid link, because we have seen it in Thailand. The fuse, they have a big fuse, we have 5 amps or 10 amp fuse settings, and then we have a 40 or 50 amp fuse in series with that one, just as a link. But these fuses getting worn, major, it sees so many short circuits, it's not good for the fuse. The fuse should immediately act. If it sees it cannot work because it's slower than the Fuse Saver, it will somehow work. So then it starts to melt, cannot continue. So it's not predictable what the fuse will do after have seen so many faults.